Today's recipe features 3 main ingredients: puff pastry, cranberries and brie, and a few little bits in between. And I'm going to show you all how to make a golden, crispy Christmas wreath full of ooey gooeyness and flavour for all the family to savour. So today we're using shop-bought puff pastry because homemade puff pastry is a little bit laboursome to make. This is perfectly fine, it's ready to roll. You just roll it out and let's do the work. Grab yourself a plate that's about 10 inches in diameter. Cut out a circle shape. And then get a smaller size plate and just indent the pastry as a guide. Cut your mini circle into 8 even sections. Spoon cranberry sauce around the edges. And place your cheese around and fold over your pastry, ensuring that the corners are pressed down and it forms a nice wreath shape. So there you have it, folks. Simple, easy way to make an edible Christmas wreath. Now, let's try it. The best edible Christmas wreath you'll ever taste.